Good morning, online owls. It's your Friday assembly. Today is January 15th, 2021. Let's get started with a little bit of movement. This is a challenge. Let's see who can make this happen and who can beat this challenge.
What's up, everybody? This workout's gonna get your heart and lungs pumping. It's a little intense, but I know you can do it. Let's move.
Come on, jumping jacks. Don't forget to breathe. Keep it moving. Keep your arms swinging.
All right, we're going to ellipticals. Here we go.
Get your legs moving. Come on. Keep it moving. Come on. Keep it moving. Don't give up. You got this. You can do it.
All right, we're gonna go to a super lunge. Switch legs.
Legs high up. Legs high up.
Switch legs.
Come on.
Elliptical.
Get the legs moving. Come on. That's it. That's it. Come on. Come on, own it, own it. Keep going.
You did it. Let's take a few deep breaths to cool down. Ready? Breathe in and out. Again, breathe in and out. One more time. In and out. Nice. Have an awesome day. Fresh start, out.
Well, that should have gotten your heart pumping and you moving and everything else. Let's start with announcements today. It was great to see you on Tuesday at lunch in Tinker Club. Come join us. Tinker Club runs from 12 to 12:45. You can code, you can build with Legos, you can make stuff from things that you find around your house. It's just a bunch of us getting together, having a good time. If you want to join us, you have to go to the Google Meet. It's Ask Mrs. Leach. We have some new students joining us starting on Wednesday, January 20th. Please welcome them into your class when you get the chance. There's no school on Monday or Tuesday. I know, you're so sad about that. I am. Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and Tuesday is a work day for teachers. So teachers will be working, but you get the day off. Our next Spirit Day will be Crazy Sock Day. So find your craziest pair of socks and wear them on Friday, January 22nd. That's our Spirit Day. I want to share with you lots of things have been going on in the world, and I think we need a little pep talk.
I learned we all need a pep talk.
I think we all need a pep talk.
I think we all need a pep talk.
You. We need you. Now, I'm not trying to sound needy, but I'm just saying, we need you. We need every voice. Little voices, shaky voices, any voice looking to spread love. We need the young. We need the people who might have forgotten what it's like to be young. We need the hopeful. We need the hopeless, the usual, and the unusual, because we can't handle any more business as usual. We posted a video on the internet. Brad wrote a pep talk, well, because he needed a pep talk. Now, I know what it's like to need a pep talk, so I delivered it. We put it online and realized lots of other people need a pep talk. Teachers, parents, kids, Beyonce, people who aren't Beyonce, more people than I even knew existed. There are people all around you who need reminding. To laugh. To dance. We can remind each other of all the reasons there are to dance. And there's lots of reasons to dance. I mean, if you're looking for them. So look for them. Because your dance moves, they're needed. Even if they're awkward. Especially if they're awkward. Your joy, it's needed. We are little reminders to each other to stay unusual. Whether you're Michael Jordan and you were in Space Jam, or if you're just somebody who's watched Space Jam. A lot guilty. You are needed. There are people all around you who need reminding. And you can let them know. We can help each other roll on when we can't do things on our own. If this journey has taught us anything, it's taught us that. The little words created out of big love, that can go a long way. So here's to love. Here's to throwing parades for each other. Parties that cheer each other on. Wise friends to light the way. We need reminders that amazing things can happen. Because they do, all the time. And one of them is you. We can brighten up every room we enter, every place we go, the entire world. But only if we take care of each other. Together, we're unstoppable. So we gotta stop stopping each other from being unstoppable. That made sense, right? What I'm trying to say is that we got too much goodness to be spread. Pep talks are nice, but they're not a one-time thing. We all need them again from time to time. Because people grow. Days pass. Times change. Challenges come. And we all need little reminders that we're here. Reminders why we're here. The most amazing thing is the fact that we're here together right now. One chapter may be ending, but there's a whole big story that we're telling together. So we'll keep pep talking, and we hope you will too. Sometimes it'll be seen, sometimes it won't, but it always matters. Believe me, I know. Because love changes everything. So let's fill the world with it.
Yep, love does change the world. Love and kindness, and we need that right now. And we need to be kind to each other and supportive of each other. Well, we've come to Friday's joke. Are you ready? It's a math joke because, you know, I love math. What did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless. Have a great day of learning. Stay healthy and safe on this very long weekend. Enjoy your time off.